What's going on YouTube? Just a little old quick video real quick to show you my next project. It's well, you can see what it is. Obviously I like the undermount sink in it. It's got a couple cracks in it. I have the material to repair it. I got a crack right here and I have a crack right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, you can see it now. It's filthy. It's hideous looking right now. That's an ugly color too. But it was given to me because it was cracked. But I have the material that they used to seam granite together with, so it should fix it. It's what it's designed for anyway. If you guys got it, I'm going to try to get to it this weekend. So if you guys have got any ideas for colors, drop me some ideas in the comment section below. The most picked colors is going to be the ones that I'm going to use. Whatever you guys would like to see, it's up to you. The sink is 6 foot from end to end, 18 inches from there to there. Like I said, it's hideous looking right now. It's filthy. I got to do some cleaning to it. It's still got silicone from where they had the backsplash siliconed on. It'll be a thing of beauty when I get done with it. It's rough. It's in bad shape. It's nasty. But I've taken worse and done stuff with it. I sure have. So if you guys got any ideas for colors, I really would appreciate it if you'd drop them in the comments below. You guys, any certain thing you guys would like to see, any ideas you might want to share, please feel free, share them, because it's sometimes kind of hard for me to always come up with ideas. My mind's always working. Anyway, my battery's getting low, so I'm just going to make this a little short clip. I just wanted to show you guys what my next project is, and I'm probably going to start on it this weekend. If you guys get any value out of any of my videos, please drop me a thumbs up. It helps me get a little bit higher in the queue. And if you ain't got yourself subscribed yet, get yourself subscribed. Consider it anyway. Ring the little notification bell so you don't miss a video when it does come out. And as always, I thank you for watching. Good night and God bless.